For 2010, I'm pleased to introduce you to Create Paper's Restoration Collection. And as you can see, it's a beautiful and fun collection with a vintage feel. These are the 12 by 12 papers, and they're all double-sided. And Create Paper's paper has a smooth, heavyweight feel on the back, and on the front, it has a slight linen texture feel. So it's slightly rough, and your adhesive will stick nicely to the front of these papers. Now, a great option is to get the collection kit, which features the 16 double-sided textured papers, and it also includes the designer die cuts, the title stickers, journal stickers, and the border stickers. And also available is the cute little 6x6 paper pad. It features 32 sheets of paper. And unlike most companies, Create Paper's 6x6 pad is double-sided. And to coordinate with the papers, you can get the 12 by 12 chipboard accent pieces. And these have some fun floral designs and little phrases. And you just simply pop these out, and they are self-adhesive, so you can put them on your layouts and cards. And a smaller set is the layered chipboard. And these are fun because they're layered chipboard, but they also include felt additions, button, rhinestone, and pearls. Now for stickers, there's the cardstock border sticker pieces or the phrases. And there's little pre-printed phrases or blank journaling spots. And if you like rub-ons, there's also the coordinating rub-ons. And last but not least, the sew brads. And you get 10 total brads, some fabric covered large brads, and some the metal rimmed epoxy.